Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to jump right into the video, and I'm just starting off with some baby skin primer, and I'm just priming my face to make sure I get rid of all the pores and make sure that I have a smooth foundation for the rest of my makeup. And then I'm going in with some True Match by L'Oreal foundation, and I'm just dotting that around my face. Then I'm just going to blend it out with a Real Technique sponge that I got from Ulta. And yeah, so I'm just blending out the foundation right here. This is a full coverage foundation, and yeah, I really like this foundation. It's really smooth on my skin, and it's not too dry but not too oily, which I really like as well. So I definitely would recommend this foundation to you guys. And it's also drugstore, which I love anything that I can get from the drugstore and not a high-end makeup store. So I definitely recommend this to you guys. Then right here I'm just going to be putting on this liquid illuminator from NYX, and I'm just kind of dotting that on my cheekbone area because that's where I'm going to be applying highlight, and I want my highlight to kind of glow through, not just the actual highlighter that I'm using, but I want it to kind of be a glow underneath the glow, if you guys catch what I'm saying. So yeah, I'm just blending this all out. And also, if you made it this far to the video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe down below. So right here, I didn't realize that this was backwards, but this is the LA Girl Pro concealer, and this is in the color Toffee, I believe. And I usually use Toffee. Actually, no, this is in the color Almond. I usually use Toffee underneath my brow, and I use Almond for my highlight because it's a little bit lighter and more of a highlighter shade, and I like to use that to highlight. So I'm just pretty much doing the classic highlighting technique. Nothing really special here. I'm just highlighting underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, and then a little bit on my forehead. So then I'm just blending that out, and I'm using a smaller Real Techniques sponge. I have one that is a face sponge, which is a lot larger, that you guys saw that I used to apply my foundation. I use that one for my foundation. I use this smaller one for my highlighting because it's a lot easier to use a bigger one for a larger space, but this is just a smaller space, so I like to use a little miniature sponge for that one. So here I'm going to be using the Sascha Buttercup setting powder, and right here I'm just putting it onto the lid, and then I'm just going to be applying that underneath my eyes and everywhere else that I put the concealer. And yeah, this is my favorite setting powder because it's primarily made for brown skin females and also darker skin, because I feel like all the other translucent powders, they don't really fit well with my skin tone. But next I'm just going to be going in with this NYX contour palette, and I'm just going to be using the shade that I'm pointing to right here, and then I'm just going to have a little dance break right here. And end of that dance break. So we're going to get back into it, and I'm just going to be contouring my cheekbones right here. And yeah, pretty much self-explanatory. I like to kind of scrunch my face like you guys are seeing, and I was still kind of singing and humming my music right there. But yeah, so I'm just pretty much contouring pretty much the basic way that you contour. If you guys would like a more detailed highlight and contour tutorial upon like what you're really like doing, honestly, I can do that for you guys. Just leave a comment down below if you guys want to see that, because I would definitely be willing, and I would enjoy doing that type of video for you guys. But right here I'm just going to be contouring underneath, and also like contouring / blending out the foundation that I put down there, because it wasn't really blended out from when I had used the sponge earlier. So I go back through and blend out things like multiple times to make sure that I have a nice even flow of things, if you know what I mean. But yeah, so right here I'm just going to be blending out the setting powder. I usually don't leave the setting powder on for that long, just as long as it takes me to do my contouring, which is only like probably a minute or so. There I'm coughing because I put the powder in my nose apparently. But yeah, so I'm just blending in all that powder and dusting it off. And if you guys could see my legs, they have like powder all over them because I dusted it off everywhere. But yeah, so now I'm going to be contouring my nose, and I'm just using that same NYX contour palette, and I'm using the same color that I was using before that I pointed to earlier, and I'm just using this brush right here. Not really sure where I got this brush from, but if you guys would like to see like more detailed about like what type of brushes you should use for what, I can definitely do a video on that. But yeah, I really would like to hear some feedback from you guys to like see what kind of videos you guys would prefer to see, because I not only want to create content that I enjoy making, but also content that you guys want to see. So I'm just contouring some more around my eyes. I like to do that if I'm not going to do any eyeshadow, just to give my eyes a little bit of depth and not make them look so bland like the rest of the colors in my face. So then I'm going to be going in with this Kylie highlighter. I will leave all the products down below, and I'm also going to put them on the screen as well, just so you guys will know what products I'm using, because I don't remember off the top of my head what every name and every shade is. So yeah, I'm just highlighting, which is like my favorite part. This is when everything starts to kind of come together. And yeah, so I'm just highlighting the normal areas that I usually highlight. My cheekbones, my nose, my chin, my cupid's bow, and yeah. Also, I started off, I completely forgot to mention this at the beginning, but I started off with my eyebrows already done because I just did film a eyebrow tutorial before this video. So make sure to check that out. I'll put it in the card section right there. So go ahead and click that card if you would like to see that. And then right here, I'm just going to be highlighting underneath my eyebrows, which I really like to do. And then I'm just going to be going back in and blending out more of all my makeup pretty much, just to make sure everything is blended and that there's no type of harsh lines. Then I'm going to be going in with this Lash Paradise mascara, and I'm just going to be putting on mascara. Pretty like simple, you know, no special way to do this. Just making sure I'm getting all my lashes, even the little teeny ones. Make sure I'm getting them real good in there. You know how I do. Making sure I get the bottom lashes too, because some people don't like put mascara on their bottom lashes, but I feel like it's so important because it kind of opens up your whole eye and makes your eyes look a lot brighter and more lively. So I really like to make sure that not only my top lashes are coated, but my bottom lashes are coated as well. So then right here I'm going in with my lip combo for today, and I'm using two NYX soft matte lip glosses or lipsticks. I don't know if they're lip glosses or lipsticks, but two of those, and I will put on the screen what colors they are. And yeah, I love doing like brownish, nudish colors for my lips. I'm not really that into really bold lips anymore, unless I'm doing like a more festive type look. But for the everyday, I like to do more subtle and nude type lip combos and colors and things like that. So I really like this lip combo. I actually had never tried it before this video. I usually go with probably like Limbo by ColourPop and the same NYX lip cream, but in this video I decided to do both NYX. So yeah, I'm just going to be doing that and kind of rubbing my lips together just to blend that out. And I feel like this makes my lips look really plump. But yeah, so then I'm going to be setting everything with the Badescu Rose Water. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.